Ever wondered how to successfully automate your YouTube channel? Well, you're not alone. The world of YouTube can seem daunting for beginners, but don't worry, we've got you covered. Automation is a critical tool in growing and managing a thriving channel. It's about making the platform work for you, freeing up your time, and ensuring consistent content for your viewers. Stick around to learn the steps to make your YouTube channel work for you, even while you sleep. First, understand why automation matters. Picture this: you're juggling video creation, editing, uploading, and promotion, all while trying to respond to comments and engage with your audience. It's a lot, isn't it? That's where automation steps in. One of the primary benefits of automation is consistency. By automating tasks, you ensure a regular flow of content, keeping your audience engaged and your channel active. Next, let's talk about time management. Automation helps free up your time so you can focus on what matters most: creating quality content. It's like having a digital assistant working behind the scenes, taking care of tasks while you sleep. Finally, there's the potential for growth. Automation allows you to reach a wider audience and increase your visibility, thereby enhancing your channel's growth potential. Now that you understand why automation is crucial, let's dive into how to do it. Setting up your channel effectively is the first step to automation. Let's dive into how you can do just that. The first thing you need to do is pick a clear and concise channel name. This is your brand, your identity on YouTube. It should reflect the content you plan to produce and be easily searchable. Be creative, but remember, clarity is key. Your channel name should leave no room for misinterpretation about what your content is about. Next up, we have the channel description. This is your opportunity to tell your audience who you are and what your channel is about in more detail. Use this space wisely. Incorporate keywords related to your niche to improve your searchability. But remember, it's not about stuffing as many keywords as possible. It's about weaving them naturally into your description. Keep it engaging, keep it authentic, and most importantly, keep it informative. Now that we have a clear name and a detailed description, let's move on to consistent branding. This is where your channel's visual identity comes into play. Your logo, your banner, your thumbnail style, all of these elements should be consistent and represent your brand effectively. Consistency here builds recognition. When viewers see your thumbnails in their feed, they should instantly recognize it as your content. But it's not just about the visuals. Consistency should also reflect in your content style and posting schedule. If your audience knows when to expect new content from you and what kind of content it will be, they're more likely to stick around. And lastly, don't forget to link your social media profiles to your YouTube channel. This will not only help drive traffic from your other platforms, but also allow your audience to connect with you on a more personal level. With all these elements in place, you're not just setting up a YouTube channel, you're building a brand that stands out, is easily recognizable, and most importantly, one that's ready to be automated. With your channel effectively set up, you're ready to start automating. Scheduling videos is a key part of automation. It's like a secret weapon that can catapult your YouTube channel to new heights. It's a simple process with a profound impact, and today we're going to delve into that. YouTube has made it exceptionally easy to schedule videos. You can upload your video, add all the necessary details, title, description, tags, and then, instead of hitting that tempting publish button, you click on the drop-down menu next to it and select Schedule. Here, you can choose the exact date and time you want your video to go live. Now, you might be wondering why this is such a big deal. The answer lies in consistency. Imagine your favorite TV show. You know exactly when a new episode will air, and you probably plan around it, right? That's the power of a consistent schedule. It creates anticipation and a sense of routine among your viewers. But there's more to it than just consistency. The timing of your video release can also play a significant role in its success. Different times of the day, different days of the week, they all attract different types of viewers. By understanding your audience and their viewing habits, you can schedule your videos to go live at the optimal time for maximum engagement. Let's not forget the freedom that scheduling brings. You can batch create your videos, schedule them, and then not have to worry about manually publishing each one. This can free up a lot of your time, allowing you to focus on creating more fantastic content or even taking a much-needed break. Remember, automation isn't about being impersonal or detached. It's about being smart and efficient. It's about understanding the tools at your disposal and using them to your advantage. It's about giving your audience what they want when they want it, without burning yourself out in the process. Scheduling your videos frees up your time and keeps your audience engaged. It's a win-win situation, so why not give it a shot? You might just find that it's the secret sauce your YouTube channel has been missing. Your videos are scheduled, but how do you get them seen? That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? Well, the answer lies in automating video promotion. And no, it's not as daunting as it sounds. Let me walk you through it. Promotion is a crucial part of your video's life cycle. It's about getting your content in front of people's eyes, and that's where social media scheduling tools come into play. These tools are like your personal promotion assistants, tirelessly working to put your content out there. So what exactly do these tools do? They allow you to schedule your posts across multiple platforms simultaneously. Say you've got a new video coming up. Instead of manually posting about it on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and so on, you can simply schedule a post on your social media scheduler, and it'll do the posting for you. Now you might be thinking, but I can just do that myself, right? Yes, you could, but remember, time is money. The time you spend manually promoting your videos is time you could be using to create more content, engage with your audience, or just take a well-deserved break. Not to mention, these tools often come with features that help you maximize your post's visibility. For instance, they can suggest the best times to post based on when your audience is most active. That's something you'd have a hard time figuring out on your own. And the best part? These tools aren't exclusive to big corporations with deep pockets. There are plenty of affordable options out there for small creators like ourselves. So if you're serious about growing your YouTube channel, consider investing in a social media scheduling tool. It'll take a load off your shoulders and give your videos the exposure they need to shine. Remember, creating great content is only half the battle. The other half is making sure people actually see it, and that's where automation comes into play. Automating your promotion ensures your videos get the visibility they deserve. Analytics are your secret weapon in automation. Dive into the world of data with YouTube Analytics. This tool is like a compass, guiding you through the vast sea of content creation. It helps you understand your audience's behavior and preferences, providing key insights that can inform your scheduling and promotion strategies. Let's start with understanding audience behavior. YouTube Analytics provides you with metrics like watch time, audience retention, and engagement. Watch time is the total amount of minutes people spent watching your videos. If this is high, it means your content is captivating. Audience retention shows you how long viewers stay on your videos. If they're watching till the end, you're on the right track. Engagement, on the other hand, is all about likes, shares, and comments. These metrics collectively help you gauge what's working and what's not. Next, let's talk about how this data can improve your content. When you see a video with high watch time and engagement, it's clear that your audience likes this type of content. You can then focus on creating more of such content. Similarly, low-performing videos can help you identify what to avoid in future productions. Finally, let's discuss how analytics can inform your scheduling and promotion strategies. By looking at when your audience is most active, you can schedule your videos accordingly. Similarly, understanding which of your videos get the most shares can help you tailor your promotion strategies. With analytics, you can make data-driven decisions about your content. Let's recap what we've learned about YouTube automation. We've taken a deep dive into how to set up your channel effectively. Remember, a well-structured channel is the first step towards attracting and retaining your audience. We've also discussed the importance of scheduling videos. This not only helps in maintaining consistency, but also ensures that your content reaches your audience when they are most active. We've explored the power of automating video promotion. By leveraging automation tools, you can ensure that your content reaches a wider audience without any extra effort on your part. Lastly, we've delved into the world of YouTube analytics. By understanding your audience's behavior, you can tailor your content to their preferences and maximize your channel's potential. Remember, automation is a tool that can help you grow and manage your YouTube channel. So why wait? Start automating your YouTube channel today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.